Did you know that some of the wealthiest people in the world actually live far below their means? That's right. It's not about the flashy cars and designer clothes you see on TV. Today, we're diving into 10 things the rich avoid. The secrets behind wealth. In this video, we'll explore the habits and behaviors that wealthy individuals consciously steer clear of to preserve and grow their fortune. From avoiding luxury traps to shunning poor debt management, we will break down the essential practices that can help you build lasting wealth. Whether you're starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategies, these insights will give you a clearer path toward financial freedom. So, let's get started and learn what not to do if you want to join the ranks of the rich. 1. Avoiding luxury traps. One key habit that keeps the rich wealthy is avoiding the luxury trap. This means resisting the urge to splurge on extravagant, unnecessary purchases just because they can afford to. A perfect example of this is Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest people who is famously frugal. Despite his billions, Buffett lives in a modest house in Omaha that he bought back in the 1950s and drives a reasonably priced vehicle. He emphasizes investing in value rather than appearances, a principle that has allowed him to accumulate wealth over the long term. By not getting caught up in luxury spending, the wealthy can maintain their assets and invest in opportunities that promise greater returns. This discipline in personal spending is not about deprivation. It's a strategic choice to ensure financial growth and stability. Avoiding luxury traps allows the rich to focus resources on wealth building rather than wealth-depleting liabilities. 2. Not living beyond means. Lifestyle inflation occurs when an individual increases their spending as their income rises, often expanding their expenses to match or exceed their new earnings. This pattern can be perilous, as it leaves little room for savings and investments, crucial for financial security and growth. The risks are substantial. Higher income doesn't always guarantee stability, and without careful budgeting, one might find themselves in financial distress during economic downturns or personal emergencies. To combat lifestyle inflation, start by setting strict budgeting goals. Allocate a fixed percentage of your income to savings and investments before you spend on non-essentials. Embrace frugality even as your wealth increases. This doesn't mean you shouldn't enjoy your money, but prioritize expenditures that bring long-term benefits. Consider using tools like automated savings plans and investment accounts to make sure a portion of every paycheck is saved or invested, making wealth accumulation an automatic part of your financial routine. 3. Shunning poor debt management. Managing debt wisely is crucial for financial stability and growth, a principle well understood by the wealthy. They distinguish between good debt and bad debt. Good debt can be seen as an investment that generates long-term value, such as loans for education or a mortgage on a rental property that produces income. Conversely, bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, depreciates in value quickly and offers no return on investment. Wealthy individuals use several strategies to manage debt effectively. They prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, a method known as the avalanche approach, which minimizes the total interest paid over time. They also leverage lower interest rates by refinancing loans and consolidating debts, thus reducing monthly payments and total interest costs. By maintaining a strong credit score, they secure favorable loan conditions, which include lower rates and better terms. These practices help them use debt as a tool for wealth building rather than letting it become a financial burden. 4. Avoiding a single income stream. Relying on a single income source is akin to putting all your eggs in one basket, a risky strategy that can lead to financial instability if that income stream dries up due to job loss, illness, or industry downturns. Wealthy individuals mitigate this risk by diversifying their income sources, ensuring they are not overly dependent on any single stream. For example, many affluent people invest in rental properties, providing a steady stream of passive income alongside their primary careers. Others might invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, which can yield dividends and interest income. Some also establish side businesses in different sectors, further spreading their risk. The advantage of this approach is clear. It not only cushions against financial shocks, but also maximizes potential earnings through various channels. This income diversification is a cornerstone of financial security and wealth accumulation, allowing for more robust financial planning and a steady accumulation of wealth over time. 5. Not saving enough. The principle of paying yourself first is a cornerstone of personal finance that involves prioritizing savings over all other expenditures. Instead of saving what is left after spending, this approach dictates setting aside a portion of your income for savings as soon as you receive it. This strategy ensures that saving for the future is not an afterthought but a priority. Financial experts often recommend saving at least 20% of your income, though this can vary based on personal goals and financial circumstances. This money should ideally be funneled into a variety of accounts such as an emergency fund, retirement accounts, and other investment vehicles that can grow over time. Effective saving strategies include automating your savings so that a portion of your paycheck is directly transferred to a savings or investment account, preventing the temptation to spend it. Regularly increasing the amount you save as your income grows can also help build wealth more quickly. This disciplined approach can help ensure financial security and compound wealth over time. 6. Ignoring financial education. Continual financial education is a critical element in wealth building, enabling individuals to make informed decisions that maximize their financial potential. The wealthy often attribute their success to an ongoing commitment to learning about new investment strategies, market conditions, and financial tools. This knowledge not only helps them to capitalize on lucrative opportunities, but also to avoid costly mistakes. To foster this kind of financial literacy, numerous resources are available. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham offer deep insights into investing, while Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki provides a broader perspective on wealth and asset accumulation. Websites such as Investopedia and the Financial Times provide up-to-date financial news and educational content. Additionally, online courses from platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy can help individuals gain a structured understanding of financial principles at their own pace. Engaging regularly with these resources can empower you to make smarter financial decisions and keep pace with the ever-changing economic landscape, setting a solid foundation for wealth accumulation. 7. Neglecting long-term planning. Long-term financial planning is essential for achieving sustained wealth and security. It involves setting strategic financial goals that guide your spending, saving, and investing decisions over the years. This proactive approach ensures that you are not only prepared for the future but also capable of handling unexpected financial challenges. To start, define clear, achievable goals such as retirement savings, children's education, or buying a home. Use tools like financial planning software or apps that help you visualize and track these goals. Mint and Personal Capital are popular options that offer budget tracking and investment monitoring to keep your plans on course. Additionally, it's wise to consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation and goals. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is crucial, as life circumstances and financial markets can change, impacting your initial assumptions and strategies. By committing to long-term planning, you can build a financially secure future that aligns with your long-term aspirations. 8. Staying in comfort zones. Staying within one's comfort zone is a common barrier to financial success. Expanding professional circles and networking are critical strategies used by the wealthy to open up new opportunities and gain insights into different markets and industries. By stepping out of comfort zones, individuals expose themselves to new ideas, partnerships, and investment opportunities that can dramatically increase their income and influence. Networking doesn't just mean attending formal events. It can also involve participating in online forums, joining professional groups, or even volunteering in organizations related to your interests. Engaging with diverse groups can provide a broader perspective, inspire innovative ideas, and reveal new business ventures or collaborations. Actively seeking mentorship from experienced professionals in your field or others can also guide your career and investment decisions. This broader network not only serves as a valuable resource for opportunities, but also offers support during downturns, enhancing your resilience and capacity to succeed financially. 9. Avoiding risk entirely. Avoiding risk entirely can be as detrimental to wealth accumulation as making reckless decisions. Successful financial growth often involves taking calculated risks, those that have been carefully analyzed for potential return on investment versus potential loss. For instance, investing in the stock market or real estate involves inherent risks, but with thorough research and strategic planning, these investments can yield substantial returns. An example of a calculated risk is purchasing stocks in well-established companies during a market dip, anticipating future recovery and growth. On the other hand, investing heavily in a single, volatile stock without diversifying your portfolio exemplifies a reckless decision. Wealthy individuals often employ risk management strategies such as diversification, hedging, and setting stop-loss orders to mitigate potential losses. By understanding and managing risk appropriately, they capitalize on opportunities for growth while protecting their assets from significant losses. This balanced approach to risk is a key component of sustained financial success. 10. Neglecting health. Maintaining good health is crucial not only for personal well-being but also for achieving financial goals. Poor health can lead to significant medical expenses and loss of income, severely impacting financial stability. Conversely, good health enables you to work longer, save on medical costs, and maintain a steady performance in your professional life. Practical health tips include regular physical exercise, which boosts energy levels and overall productivity. A balanced diet rich in nutrients supports mental clarity and physical stamina, reducing the risk of chronic illnesses that could sideline your career and drain your finances. Additionally, ensuring adequate sleep each night helps with stress management and cognitive function, essential for making sound financial decisions. Furthermore, consider preventive healthcare practices, such as regular checkups and vaccinations, which can avert costly medical interventions down the line. By prioritizing your health, you safeguard your ability to earn and manage your finances effectively, supporting both your personal and financial aspirations. Building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's also about smart habits that prevent financial leakage. Evaluate your habits and consider which areas might need adjustment to better align with these wealth-building principles. Take action today to transform your financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And for more insights on managing your finances effectively, keep watching our channel. Let's build a prosperous future together.